Mema akwaba eba channel we so. Ewo channel we so no ye review websites, games, software, apps, and products. Inti se wo se anima we bia ubetimi asende amaye through your WhatsApp number. And as our friend so a we pick you na ye no wakasa na yadi more details about website and our product, game, software and as app. Na yaka ho asem ache amansan. Bibia you free. Na say what the website and our game, software am I say yanka ho asem a mpacho make sure say we accept negative parts because yanka only the positive. You better research after a game or software and ask any other channel may say come beyond. You better share the negative and the positive parts. Midi my demu chame your frame water. We share P our more knowledge about different parts.
Ewiase kwananim ama bibiara asesa enne abefon krato internet so na obiara edi ne djuma ema bibiara yefo na esanso ye ntemtem wenti na G2 Family Limited aba ma wo obi babisa na G2 Family Limited wodjuma ne senkra G2 Family Limited eye company bia eye 90% remote services 90% remote services no kirese se wotu fia na ofra ye betra yen office na de wuhia no ana ohwehwe no ya ma wo a onse wadaje usika omre ka mutna ene emunsemsem to fiewa simaka krabi na yayama ompewe na opedien G2 Family Limited wanajumani bi ene G2 phone services wire flashing, decoding, unlocking, iCloud remove, tracking missing or stolen phone, recovery of deleted files. So unema bi delete free mobile no so na se usan hia wade a yebetumi ayama samba phone protection ene niema pi wenyina omwa nha ho emayen office de hia ne se obefre G2 computer services yeye hardwares any software repairs so computer no asay ana bibiara a uhia ewo computer no ho no freyen afei G2 security system where CCTV camera installation where install alarm ewo wo office ana wo kamu where solar installation air condition installation G2 programming and tech where website building so personal websites are wobeyama network app development data analysis databases any enema pino where G2 video and animation where video editing so what your video and now person won channel one editing mawa where na wasa edit amount short video animation explainer logo animation for case any video ho adwuma biara de wobeya amount G2 graphic and design so pese yenye logo manwa yebeya amount wo design business cards t-shirt printing banners signboards books and album designs architectural and floor designs bibiara efa designs any printing ho de G2 Family Limited any the best point G2 digital marketing ebia we company we adwuma we business o pese yenye wo advert ewo online ema obiara ente wonka wobeya ama adwuma dodo amabobo so anyina no wo de frekeke na enhyehyeye ene akwan a ewo ho no obehunu a omwa enante enha ho ema yen office mese frekeke na de ohwehwe no onsa beka one website www.mylistringgh.com na se eba no repair side nso a one website no
in case say wo problem bia concern side device we are follow me. Ewo waters GSM. Say hardware problem and also the problem. Memo solution ewo ho. Say one subscribe so a kai say obe subscribe. Say the way a bring latest update of devices ebaso. Bye bye.